Hi, I'm Jordan Price, Director of Design here at Garden Vaughan Group. I've been with GVG since 2008 and I oversee all aspects of our designs to ensure that our communities are refined and functional. Some of the features of this Penthouse collection design include an extensive balcony overlooking Hanlon Park with sliding screens for protection. We also have a large 9 metre by 5.5 metre living dining with separate meals area. This apartment features a large kitchen with built-in appliances and butler's pantry with second sink. It also has a large master suite with walk-through robe and freestanding bath in the ensuite. This apartment also has a second ensuite bedroom with direct access to the second balcony. And we have extensive storage provision and a separate powder room for guests. I look forward to meeting you to help you put the finishing touches on your new home.